Hi, this is Yogesh Chabria, and sometimes you might observe people around you criticizing other people for their ways, for their food habits, for their beliefs, whatever. I am reminded of a beautiful saying by Ramakrishna, Sri Ramakrishna, where he says, imagine you want to go on top of the terrace, you want to go on top of the roof. You can take the stairs, you can take the lift, you can take the escalator, you can use a rope, you can even use a bamboo pole, you can use a tree, somebody might use a helicopter. There are multiple ways to reach the top of the roof, and no way is wrong because all of them reach up to the top of the roof. Some ways might be longer, some ways might be shorter, some ways might be easier, some ways might be harder, some ways might be quicker, some ways might be slower. But all those ways reach up to the top of the roof. And if you understand the deeper meaning of this, is every time you criticize somebody else because you think they are the other, you are actually criticizing yourself. Because always actually lead to one. It's the way there are many rivers. Imagine there are many rivers, and you start criticizing the rivers, but all the rivers lead to the ocean. They lead to the same ocean, they lead to the same seas. So why should you criticize? Why should you waste your energy? Why should you waste your energy and time criticizing? And think about it, the next time you want to criticize somebody for their beliefs, for their ways, for whatever, or you just want to be critical of somebody, ask yourself a question that, is this really something you want to do? How does it make you feel? I see people sometimes, they have endless discussions criticizing somebody else, and they don't even know that person on an individual level. It might be a political leader, it might be somebody, and they spend an hour of their life criticizing that person. But how is that really helping you? How is that really changing your life? Instead, why don't you use that hour to upgrade yourself, to make yourself stronger, to make yourself better, to upgrade your skills, to upgrade your knowledge, to transform yourself from within? Because life is limited. Remember that. Nobody's life is unlimited. Just remember that. So what you do with your time, what you do with your now is beautiful. And if you observe yourself, the moment you criticize somebody, you are actually creating a lot of negative energy within yourself, because your focus, your attention is being dispersed. Instead, bring back your energy, bring back your attention, and focus it on things that you really need. It's like a magnifying glass and the rays of the sun. If you take a magnifying glass and you compress, you focus the rays of the sun on something you want to do. Let's say you want to light a fire, and you focus that magnifying glass on some dark wood, you will get a fire. But if you let the energy be dispersed, you can't do anything. So from today on, from now on, even at your workplace, anywhere, at home, stop criticizing and use that time, use that energy to uplift yourself, to build yourself better, and also to uplift and upgrade the people around you. Take care, best of luck, have a beautiful evening or a day.